I'm talking about the motion that should keep the US government continues drone strikes. I believe that these drone strikes can create more tourism while trolling citizens. What does this mean? I think that even though drone strike is a good idea to kill other country, is otherwise also unbenefit to other citizens. Like even the drones are targeting the military, innocent people can injure and being killed. Innocent school didn't do anything. They're just sitting at home and they have nothing to do with part of this drone strike and even get killed. It's very innocent and also causing less and more tourism to goes there, because they might see that those families continually act affected by strike may become more hostile and support extremist group out of revenge on hostile. So this is the biggest problem. So they take revenge here. First, if they've been killed by this, communities and their families take revenges by supporting the extremist group, the drone strike or other tourism, and then just go back, which making the proposition idea a false failure, because this leads to other consequential effect, what means that from the striking, the anger, rotations, and more tourism than ever before. This is a big change in support of US. If US continue this, they're going to this really big problem that actually goes more tourism, terrorism, than obviously ever more. Now, what does this actually lead to? Drone strikes violate human rights and state sovereignty. Drone strikes are often carries a lot of other countries with full improvement from those government. Some critics say that those violent principle sovereignty, meaning that countries should control what happens in their own border, meaning that you can just there's actually less than the human rights here. The only thing is that if the other country government or allow drone strike, the only things here is that this means that every country should allow them to get the drone strike. It doesn't mean that one country have a right to fight other country without any permission, right? It's very unlikely to do that. Those are very human rights and safe sovereignty. They also lack the concerns. The other country lack those transparency, secret target lists, and consultation and killing without trial. This is a big problem. Without noticing, other country when killed immediately without knowing it, they can dominate the whole world, which is not likely of country borders. Without telling the other government and strangers are possible, then there's for them wars. They always need to write letters and when targeting and when or where. It's exactly why those many countries have been using letters and to transfer to a government and also the principle to get those letters on, meaning that those countries have a big sovereignty on, meaning that the state sovereignty is a big problem that leads to other more tourism without lacking transparency, without knowing anything, without secret targeting lists. Other countries have secret targeting, which is definitely a biggest weapon in themselves. They cannot target anywhere. The worst can happen anytime and anywhere. Single time we don't know. We are innocent people, isn't it? We mean that we just target right in front of where you are sitting, meaning that those are a big problem in your own country. Next is a drone strike can psychologically harm the drone's pilots. Why is this? Drone operator physically far from the war zone, they can still witnesses the death and destructions on real time to screen. This is why. First is that the people who drive their drones have nothing to do with the war. Their own job here to drop drone strike, meaning. So the pilots here, their biggest problem, they feel guilty. They see death on screen, isn't it? You feel guilty when someone die, even though it's not your own blood. But at least when you see someone die, you actually feel guilty. Symptom similar anxiety and emotionally trauma. This is exactly why you don't those pilots have nothing to do. They're one of the innocent people. They don't know what war is happening and why does it actually do. It's just their own here. They also harm the drone pilots. We mean that drone strike should be actually quit because it's emotionally trauma to their own pilots. The critics argue this remote warfare changes the human experience combat and make emotion disconnected to people who are consequence of obviously killing. You don't want people even though you are the country's you are the enemy, of course, but yeah, those drone pilots have nothing to do with them. They're innocent people. They don't know the war. Their own job is to just given drone strikes. Now, the first question, if drone reduces military consultant on the one side, leader becomes more willing to use force because political cause of law. With drones here, I think with the drones, the different things that actually happens. Fewer soldiers are risk, operation easy to improve, and war will continue longer than public pressure. Next, this changes the idea that this world condition is a different story, forcing necessity and less resort. That those, however, support argue that, well, it may actually be connected. Leaders fear losing soldiers, which sometimes discourages unnecessary conflicts. So this is actually why it's very beneficial, because leaders don't want the soldier to die in the military, which is another big thing. Now with drones, drones are few soldier or get risk, but on the other hand, sir, the Chinese that just were are traditionally require just like necessity, popularity, and less resort there. There's different things that there are different perspective on what the leaders think about the soldier. Second question: supporters believe that drones remove dangerous military opposition and stack. Opponents argue that this stillness and fear are like create long-term stability. In some region, people live in this like constant buzzing drone that creating fear, and then no strikes occur, meaning that they also harm people's mental health and also ability to create into drone. They don't know, because war can start out right now, and anytime possible, without actually knowing. People don't have the capacity to challenge to prepare themselves just 1 minute, isn't it? Meaning those drone strikes move towards them farther, faster, because create anger or resentment. There's no universal agreement here. First, the drone strike have different pros and cons. Mainly is that if you want equality here, human rights, you should choose opposition. But what you want here is that people have less country fighting over it. It's like more likely on proposition. First, some experts believe that drones successfully weaken tourism leadership, while others argue that fill future regulations. Even though that people have been using drones, a drone strike to otherwise control the country are much more powerful, but otherwise it could be harmful. Disagreement between countries is a very big problem. Now, third question then: when the country are conducted, the strike inside an national and clear connection is a weakened international relationships norm or solidity. First, I think that in other country perspective, then there's also powerful relationship could attack Turkey anywhere. Borders could be less suspected, and also global attention could actually increases. That's why drone strike is a big problem. Government should not be doing that. The powerful nations could attack Turkey everywhere, and those powerful countries target other countries within just Iran, for example. If U.S. target Iran for no reason, then other country could get targeted because other countries are near. They can have broken the border between other countries, which is also a big problem. Border could less suspected because those borders have nothing to do with that. It will also set the border of a different country. You cannot cross it. You cannot do anything with it. It was a big idea. For example, if one country justify cross-border alone for security, other nation could use it for rather reasonable. So for reasoning, if one country target other country border, the outside country would use that as excuses to go out the border. It's a big problem here. It's also why those nationality should get more those strict drones can give people security and less likely to get drone strike. It's a very dangerous idea to giving those people more likely ways to get drone strike rather than anything else. There could more international conflicts or issue and stability of global law. So this is why really bad idea to get this drone strike on hand. So this is my end of my presentation. Thank you, and goodbye.